Hello people, so today we'll be solving LeetCode DailyQuestion 1249, that is minimum remove to make valid parentheses. And in this we'll begin with string s of opening bracket and closing bracket and lowercase English letters. And our task is to remove the minimum number of parentheses which are open and close brackets in any position, so that the resulting parenthesis string is valid and we have to return any valid string. Okay, and formally the parenthesis string is valid only and only if it is the empty string contains lowercase characters, or it can be written as AB, you can written it with B, where A and B are valid strings, and also it can be written as just like this, where A is a valid string. For example, in this case we are having lead code, and we'll just remove this extra closing bracket, so it will be a valid string after all. And then we'll be just removing this, so to make a valid string. Okay, so for this what we'll be doing, we'll be keeping the opening and closing count of the each of the character, and then we'll be traversing through the string again to form the answer string. Okay, now let's just move into the coding part, that our left initially 0 and right count is also initially 0. Also, we know that if somewhere at the point we are getting left is greater than right or right is greater than left, we know that our answer will always be the minimum of the pairs which can be formed by both left and right, considering they both make a valid parenthesis. Okay, so for this we'll be again using a stack, that is stack of character stack, that is equal to new stack. Okay, now we'll be traversing in the string that for int I equal to 0, I less than s dot length I plus plus, and then we'll be using that. Okay, so firstly let's find the current character, char current, that is equal to s dot char at I, and then we'll be checking that if my current character is equal to an opening bracket, that means we'll be increasing our left plus plus, and then we'll be checking that if my current is equal to a closing bracket, that means I'll be increasing my right pointer, right plus plus. And if we'll just, let's say if there's this condition where we are having the right counter becomes greater than left, so in that case we'll be just excluding the current and we'll be moving on to another the further element for the right counter, which we'll be having. Okay, so we'll be checking that if right is greater than left, I'll be doing a right minus minus, or else what I'll be doing is I'll be adding my current character stack dot push my current character. Okay, and then now we are done with the making of the parentheses, and at the end we'll be just forming the string builder, which will be our answer that is equal to new string builder. Okay, now while no stack dot is empty, what I'll be doing is I'll be popping off the current character on the stack, that is stk dot pop, and then what I'll be doing is I'll be checking that if my left is greater than right and my current character is equal to and opening bracket, what I'll be doing, because as I've encoded a opening bracket, so I'll be doing left minus minus, or else what I'll be doing is I'll be appending it to the stack, that is oh sorry, I'll be appending into the string builder answer dot append my current character, and at the end what I'll be doing, I'll be reversing it answer dot reverse dot to string. Okay, now let's run it. Yeah, and it gets accepted. Now let's submit it. and works perfectly fine. Okay, so this was it for today. Thank you for watching.